Have you ever wondered what is the difference between a serger or overlocker machine versus a cover stitch machine? Well, if you have and you don't know, stick around and this is the video for you. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T from T So Crafty. Y'all, I get questions often asked all the time. Is a serger and an overlocker the same thing? Yes, it is. That's the brother 1034DX over to the left. And then the brother Passetta cover stitch is on the right hand side. So a serger and an overlocker machine, yes, it's the same thing. A serger slash overlocker slash cover stitch machine is not the same thing, okay? A serger, the main difference is a serger has blades, okay? And it is going to trim while wrapping the fabric around, while wrapping the stitches around your fabric for a professional finished seam. Okay, the cover stitch machine, it doesn't have blades, but it will give you a 2 or 3, depending on how many needles you have in there, 2 or 3 professional top stitch machine. So if you have on a t-shirt, I want you to check out that professional that hem that may be in your garment. So any garment, that you have is going to have this professional looking hem in it, okay? As where a serger is going to cut that off and wrap itself around the fabric to keep it from fraying. Now, that cover stitch machine, it's going to give you a beautiful top stitch, as well as it's going to look like loops on the back of the machine, okay? So, I'm going to grab a piece of fabric, and I'm going to show you what the both of these do, and I'll meet you back. Alright, so we are going to focus on the serger slash overlocker machine. And you'll notice that as I'm doing this, it is going to cut off. Now, I'm going to try and stay out of y'all's way. Alright, I'm just going to cut this off. There it is. Hold on, y'all. There we go. So this is the type of wraparound professional seam that you are going to get with a serger. Let me back it out some. There you go. So that's what you're going to get on a serger. Now, let's focus on our cover stitch machine over here on the right. Okay. Not trying to make you guys seasick, but hang tight. Now, the thing with this one that you have to remember is you have to keep your, you got to raise your needle all the way up, okay? And I mean all the way up. Uh-oh. Give me just a second to get this, okay. And we're going to pull that a little bit, hoping I did that right. Okay. So this right here, let me get it in frame. So right here, this stitch is from our cover stitch machine on the right hand side. Now, do you see that beautiful top stitch? Y'all, I don't know. It's kind of hard to see it, but right across here, you got a double top stitch, okay? So that's the cover stitch. On here, let me try. I'm trying to get it in. Get it to focus. Okay. So this is your top stitch from the, your upper and looper stitches from the Serger / overlocker machine. So, and they're going to have a bunch of loops like this on the end, whereas this only really has that. Okay. So, hope that helps clarify for you the difference between a serger and a cover stitch machine. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. One God, one love. Peace.